So guys, this is my platformer engine in castle. Yes. So look at this game, kind of cool. Oh, I don't forget about this, guys.
This is a quick sign-in.
Yeah, this is totally cool.
Sign-in exists.
And thanks for Mr. Squidward and for the tutorial. And also I just updated it right now.
You guys kind of
Guys, do not mind them. They're just getting goofy with some stuff. And we're adding another one. So yeah.
I've been playing is 99 Nights.
Wait. But why are my friends so brain erotic? Also don't mind them. I'm just making a classic and good engine.
Did we play Create Words or Die? Do you like word games? Then join.
Wait. We add something a little bit.
No, just join. Just join.
Don't mind the music, guys. That's just us my brother with friends. Yeah.
I gotta beg it.
So okay. Okay, so I'm originally making
No! I
making
forgot plural. I forgot you can do plural. I only did one plural.
okay. We're starting to get a kinda bad. So let me fix that by using something. Yeah.
Yeah, you cut. Unnecessary cut.
Woo! Now we gotta add the pipe. Yeah. Okay. Classic as that. I hope they will make this a deck. So please, Castle, make this a deck. I mean a kit. Make this a kit. Make it a kit. Bro, make it a kit. I'm gonna cry if you don't make this a kit.
Kiss flags.
That's right now. I don't know what they're playing. They're playing some random. Okay, yeah. So, okay, we have spawner. Yeah. When this
What Original one.
This is created. Create a zombie. In front of this actor. Wait. Repeat every 2 seconds. Okay. Bang up. Bang up.
Yeah, we're
Solid fiction. Big. Why? Okay. My sibling is too loud. But guys, don't worry.
How do they
Cover-
even have that much blood?
Cover your ears because one of the sentences might be loud. Yeah. I want to add like abilities to kill the zombies, but I can't add them right now. So, okay, that's part 1. And give me your ideas in the comments. So on the next day, I'll get your ideas done. And I will pick the most liked comment. So,
No, you
guys,
did not.
comments right now.